Hi everyone, my name is Tori Livermore and this is my data protocol for Module 12. To start off with this would be used in like a PLC or like a meeting when you're analyzing data. I'd print this off to give to teachers and they would also have like their data in front of them, so they would be looking at both pieces of paper. To start off with, we would go it step by step. So I have 5 steps here. And we start with step 1. I would let teachers read the questions, and then we would go in and have a conversation about what is the current data. What assessment is this on? What skills are being assessed? The subject, the students. Are the students in the low risk, some risk, high risk, or no risk category? And we could categorize them. What is the purpose of this test? Where are we now? And what is the data showing? And then after going through step 1, we would talk about step 2, reflect on the data. And these questions just help you really think more about what the data is telling us or showing us. So what do you notice about the trend in the data? The strengths, the weaknesses, are there gaps? Is there a cause for the gaps? What do the numbers reflect? Can this data be compared to other data? How? Do we need more data? After that, we will evaluate what are we currently doing now to support students. How are we implementing the curriculum? Interventions and enrichments are needed, or how are they supporting students? Instructional strategies we are using. Are we on track with our pacing guide? How effective are lessons and tests? Are there any skills missing from the curriculum we need to add that are on the test? What other assessments are needed or being used? After we evaluated what we're doing, then we would go on setting a goal. Like what are we going to change to help students achieve? So setting a goal, let's think about, where do we want students to be? How are we going to increase their test scores? What needs to be changed? What is your goal? How are you going to achieve this goal? Is there a time frame? What do you need to implement? What changes need to be made? And what steps need to be taken? After we've set a goal, we would make a plan. So sharing with staff, so other staff are aware of your goal and can help support you. You need to implement the changes for your goal. What support or professional development are needed? And then evaluate your goal when needed. And then down below, it's the same questions. I just left a blank spot so teachers could take notes during our conversation. And that is it. Thank you.